Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video, I will show you how to do paint blending. Now, whenever you are doing a touch-up paint job, then always you should finish the paint job on the body lines or on the curves like this. When you finish the touch-up paint jobs on the curves and on the body lines like this, you can do the blending very easily. Now, as you guys can see that I have done a touch-up paint job on this vehicle and I have finished my paint job exactly on this line. If you see here properly, then you can see the line which has been created by the masking tape. Now, I have finished my touch-up paint job exactly on this body line because I wanted to blend nicely with the surrounding surface and so that nobody will able to make out that I have done a paint job here. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So now we will have to take a sandpaper and start doing the sanding process. Now we will have to sand on the spot where you have finished the touch-up paint job. Now I have used base coat clear coat system on this vehicle. What it means is I have applied the base coat first and then I have applied clear coat on top of it. Now this sanding which I am doing here is only for the clear coat. I am not sanding the base coat here. Now wherever you have applied fresh clear coat, that surface will be slightly higher than the surface where you have not applied the clear coat. So by doing the sanding, both the surfaces will almost come on the same level, but you will have to be extremely careful while doing the sanding. See that you don't sand too much and take out the entire clear coat and scratch the base coat as well. If you do that, you will have to repeat the entire paint job. Now your sandpaper should only touch the clear coat. So like this, if you want to learn autobody and painting, and if you want to do your own paint jobs and acquire a professional looking finish, then you don't have to go anywhere now. You can learn it from the comfort of your home, because I have created a step-by-step course on how to autobody and paint. I will put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled and start doing your own paint jobs, acquire professional looking finish, and that too from your home garage. Now many people do this mistake. They invest in the tools first and then they get enrolled in the course, and once they get enrolled, they come to know that the expensive tools in which they have invested are of no use to them, and their autobody and painting career ends there and there, and the dream ends there. So first get yourself enrolled, see which tools you will need, learn the process, master the process first, and then you can go and invest in the tools. Like this, you will save a lot of money. So once you are done with the sanding process, your surface will look something like this. I will give you a closer look of the surface, how it is become matte finish. So once you are done with the sanding process, you will have to take a rubbing compound or a polish, and you will have to apply the polish here. Once you are done applying the polish, you can now start to do the buffing. Once you start to do the buffing, your shine will start to come back. So do the buffing properly, do it in a relaxing manner. Like this type of touch-up paint jobs are done to save some money, because if you go to paint the entire panel, then obviously you will need more base coat and more clear coat, which will increase the costing of the paint job. So when you are doing a touch-up paint job, or if you are painting a small panel, then like this, wherever you have stopped your touch-up paint job, on that line you will have to do blending like this on the body line. Now you will notice that wherever I have done the fresh paint job, that there is a lot of orange peel there. Now this orange peel comes because while spraying the clear coat, you will have to use a technique to spray the clear coat there, which creates that orange peel, and you can't avoid orange peel, guys. It is always there. You can easily get rid of this orange peel by doing color sanding and buffing. But at the moment in this video, I will show you only how to blend the seam line. So here I'm done buffing with the wool pad. So I will apply the polish again, and this time I will do the buffing with a sponge pad. Now this color sanding and buffing is an art in itself. Not all people can do it. Even in the auto body shops, they keep special people only to do this color sanding and buffing, because not all painters can do this thing, guys. You will have to understand the process first. You will have to learn the right process first. Then you will have to try on the surface, and after that only you will be good in it. Now this entire process of color sanding and buffing I have explained step by step in my auto body and painting home study course. If you are already enrolled in my course, then you will find a section right below saying color sanding and buffing. You can go in that section and learn this process step by step. Now after doing all these things, come on, let's see if we can make out the seam line. Let's see if we can make out that we have done some blending job here or a touch-up paint job. I will give you a closer look. Now as you guys can see, this is almost negligible and you cannot notice anything here. So here I'm done with the blending process. Now if I want, then I can sand it a little bit more and do the buffing, but I feel this is enough because you can't make out anything. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.